Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Exxaro negotiating new business opportunities beyond mining, German ruling likely a blessing in disguise for platinum, and Implats harvest lost shafts mulls more investments in profitable shafts. While retaining coal as its bedrock, Exxaro Resources has begun taking steps that will take the company beyond coal and even beyond mining.
Our coal portfolio remains our bedrock. I just want to stress that. However, one has to take account and not be blinded by the realities, the global realities around climate change risks. We also have to ask ourselves, with the advent of innovation and new disruptive technologies, what impact are these going to have into our business in terms of the markets that we serve? How will these be impacted by these new technologies? How are they going to redefine the business models of energy? And with that in mind, we have to also start understanding what new materials are going to be coming at play that are going to augment the current materials that talk to the markets that we are playing in. And how will those be disrupted?
The German federal court ruling on diesel car emissions, which could cost transgressors 8 billion euros in fines a year, is seen as a likely blessing in disguise for platinum.
I think it's a blessing in disguise. At face value, an immediate reaction is that, oh God, another problem coming for platinum market, and therefore diesel is a pariah. But if you go deeper, you need to say, can the German auto industry do without diesel, which is the flavor in Germany itself after investing so long and so much in technology there. They produce the best diesel engines. And the German cars have not been bad in emissions. CO2 is the best. There are cars, of course. We need to acknowledge that Euro 5 and downwards, some of them are non-compliant, if not many of them. So therefore, you need to say, in order to keep my market share, but in order to keep also my customers happy, so that they don't sit with cars that they cannot trade in.
The Impala Platinum Mine in Rustenburg, which is harvesting unprofitable shafts while starting additional investment opportunities in the many profit-making shafts within its well-endowed long-life lease area, has set in motion a process to cut costs by 1 billion rand.
Impala is a challenge for us, and I don't want you to expect overnight results. It employs 40,000 people, and the decline in Rustenburg has happened over many years. Very happy that we've just introduced Mark Monroe, very experienced mining professional, has run a similar-sized operation, and he's already made an impact since his introduction. So we have to get the leadership addressed, and I think we've taken the first steps in that direction. We are looking at optimizing the current operation, so we want to improve productivities, particularly in the stope horizon. We want to get the pre-developed mine reserves sorted out. If you look at the capital investment at Rustenburg, you would have seen a significant increase in capitalized development, and that is to drive mineable reserves. And in doing that, we will create more operational flexibility. So we want to do the best that we can to improve the current efficiency of the operation.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.